So again this morning we are feeling a little bit fragile. I'm beginning the vlog. We've come to St Ives now. So Sally's like proper taking us on like a little tour of St Ives today. We're gonna have a proper Cornish pasty. This is actually pretty steep, like I'm gonna No, we have flat roads. Yeah. Take the piss, I'm fragile this morning. The Tate of St Ives. I'm glad I didn't say Taint of St Ives. The dirty word.
Oh, is it?
No, yes, oh my god. Oh! Yeah, me and Naomi are going to be a little bit naughty, hang on.
I don't think we can get out that way. That doesn't look like it.
No, not. Fuck's sake. Oh!
Another one of these.
I can't really see out my splash guards. I can't really see out my splash guards. Okay.
It does look old.
Okay, so Sally's taking us to the Green Door. Apparently it's really, really old, and people come all over the world?
Yeah.
All over the world to find this door. Oh, I can't reach. Come on.
Don't chip the paint.
Chip it. So that's the world famous Green Door apparently, and I'd never heard of it. Something new. See, we don't get this, you know, when you go on normal tours, you don't get like little hidden gems. Shall we? Just been told that when it gets to a high tide, sometimes floods. I'm hoping it's going to happen today because I've got new shoes on. Oh, work it, baby. Yeah, you. What, like the perfect day? Like my sunglasses. My glasses are just like, I need little window wipers on them. We're getting a proper Cornish pasty. Proper Cornish pasty. Oh, thank you very much. Oh no, Naomi dropped her Cornish pasty.
Oh, really?
Let me taste it. Oh my god. I do. It's so good. It's really good. Go on, Naomi, get your mouth around a bit of meat. So good. That's a good hangover cure. Right. Sorry. Right, I'm gonna go because I'm gonna go and enjoy my pasty. We're gonna risk it for a chocolate biscuit. This is so blue. Okay, we got to time this now, haven't Oh, piss off!
This is a lovely beach.
Sun's out. I think this is the first bit of sun. Definitely one of the best weekends I've had in a long, long time. Look at them, they're all walking ahead of me because I was too busy filming. Oh, so pretty here. I'm glad the sun's come out. We were told we were going to have rain. But look, got the sun. Finally got some sunshine. I've decided to definitely come back in the summer. Cornwall. So fucking pretty. But look at these little quaint little streets, like you can just get lost here. Sally was just telling us that these houses along here are worth millions. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. Such a gorgeous little town. So pretty.
What?
Absolutely loving it here. When you just get like little views like this. Every now and again you just have a look. Oh my god, look at this. Yeah, we've been here. Can't go to the seaside and not buy fudge. So I got some fudge. It's not for me though, I don't like it. Naomi, get on your broom. Oh my god, look at him. Love it here. Love it here. Oh, I keep looking at the Cornish passes and all the shop windows thinking I'm getting another one. So, you know we went out last night. We were spanked last night. Just found the drink that I was drinking. It was Dead Man's Fingers. Found out it's 37.5% and I was having doubles and triples. It's her bloody fault. Sally's taking us down to like this little viewpoint area. I swear this is someone's garden. Like, I swear to God. Look at the house! I'm on the table! I would love it. I would actually love it. I wouldn't love it. I don't love that the tide comes in. Sally is literally taking the piss. It's so fun. baby steps. I'm done. I'm done. That's all you're getting. Get out though.
Hey!
Oh. Oh, this is that steep hill, isn't it?
Just like pop the rubber, I'll put it in front of you. Chase it.
What's that? Oh my god! I'm coming! I'm coming! Bring me back my rum!
Pasta!
Oh! I'm way too old and fat for this. That's for later. Oh, oh, what a trek. Oh.
Not bad going down.
No. Going down was alright. Oh, okay.
Deep food.
Oh my, oh, hang on.
Oh my word! No!
Wait.
No! Martin, no!
It's not that deep.
That's not that deep.
That's shallow.
Oh, get out! No!
No, it's shallow.
Fine, get out and check!
No, it's shallow. It's shallow.
No, that's shallow.
It doesn't look shallow. Oh, my mini is not going through that. I'm not listening.
Biscuit for chocolate biscuit. Do you want me to go out and check?
This is where it's said to come.
Do you want me to go out and check? I'll go out and check how deep it is. Oh god, I swear if a car comes down. This is so cool. It's not deep.
It's not deep, is it?
No, go on. It's not, Sally, I swear to God, it's not that deep. It's about, it won't even cover your wheels. Look. Look. I thought they were going to fucking drive off without me. It's so windy, so stormy. So many people just filming the way